Good afternoon, good evening, good night, or whatever in there. Welcome to my video, and my name is Dian, and I'll be your tour guide for today. Right now, I'm in Surabaya, the Miro City, and in this moment exactly, I'm in Museum Pendidikan or Educational Museum, as you can see, and we will explore what is inside. So, come along with me. Please join my virtual tour. Bye. Come along with me. Museum visit, you can see that people during the prehistoric era also already knew education and how they like conduct their education, the way they did it, like the oldest member or more respected member explained it to the younger member. As you can see, this is how they did it, like the slide of portrait, how they portray it was like this. Can you show it? How they do it like this. An explanation also in there, like in Indonesian and in English, the way how they did in the prehistoric era. Something like that people used to write in the past. Like there are so many, but I don't understand what they meant. But you can show it not only, and usually the Arabic first. Now this is the Arabic first. It was from a long time ago, and not only Arabic, but this also like Japanese or maybe I still can read it, but not too fluent because I used to learn this in my school for 12 years. Now this is Japanese letter. Okay, it is the Arabic letter, and this is also, they give also the explanation also in the display, you can read it. And this is more explanations, longer explanation about the history of education in Indonesia from Islamic education or pendidikan masa Islam, and this is kurikulum Tribangsa. Maybe you can take a picture of it for you to read it more and you search more when you add one. And this is the explanation of the education institutions. They give so many explanations. This is so interesting, I think, like so insightful, full of knowledge for all of us to know the history of education in our country, Indonesia. We're in kindergarten or early elementary, so we must be familiar with name Budi. It always appears in every single book that we used to learn. Like when we first learn how to read, it must be ini Budi, ini ibu Budi, ini ayah Budi, and ini kakak Budi. And how it appear in every our single book we used to learn. The creator of this center of this one is Ibu Siti Rahmani. Can you show this mother, this goal, this mother? It's her who created that term for us to learn, and thank you so much for her. And this, like can you show it? This is the old bicycle like that people used to in the past when they went to school. They always use this kind of bicycle because motorcycle not too common in the past. People in the past use, and in here it written sepeda motor tahun 1965. Oh, it was in people in 1965 use this kind of motorcycle. And here the headrest machine, okay, and the old bicycle also that all people used to use in the past. And here this is the old typewriter. It was so different for this to take on here. Like people in the past use this kind of typewriter when they write something like letter or anything. And this is the classroom how used to look after Indonesian came their independence day. Like this is how they look. This is the blackboard, and they still use chalk to write them. This is how they look so far. It's like ruler in kind of shape. from wood. And this is the chair and the table. And this is our Pancasila. Yeah, kind of that. Huge display. You can see like the evolution or the development of our books from decades. This is much like books in the past used to like still in the classic cover, like in brown. They were mostly in brown as you can see. Can you show the display? And right here, can you show it? Right here, this is the stationery in the past used to like the pencils, the eraser, the rubber, or the ballpoint, or the ruler. This is how they look like in the past. And I'm sorry, I forgot this thing, but this is we used to count something. Okay. Now, in this display, you can see it is the official uniform of Indonesian education. This is for children in elementary school. This is for middle school, and this is for high school. As you can see, oh my God, it's so cute the way how they display it. For exploration today, thank you so much for joining my virtual exploration and my virtual tour. Thank you so much for watching it. And I just want to give you one thing. If you visit Surabaya, please also explore the food. Like we have like rujak cingur or so many other delicious foods. But one thing I highly recommend is, of course, this museum. You have to visit this Museum Pendidikan in Surabaya for you